Florida Sportsman, Soundings, Marlin, Maine Boats, Homes and Harbors, Showboats International, Saltwater Sportsman, Blue Water Sailing Magazine, National Fisherman, Good Old Boat, Sail Magazine, Ocean Navigator, Lake Erie Living, Power and Motoryacht, Pontoon Deckboat, Boating International, Yachting, Boating Magazine, Boat Trader, Cruising World.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.